Hey guys, it's Omar with Side Hustle Exploration. Today I'm going to be talking about why I started selling on Fiverr. Before we get into the video though, I help people diversify their pockets through side hustles as I show you how I go through my side hustles as well as start and explore doing new side hustles and bring you along in the process. That's my aim, that's my goal. So let's make some coins together. Now let's get into it. So basically, I started selling on Fiverr for two reasons. The first one was I was curious, I didn't know what it was about, how it worked, etc. And I just wanted to see what it was about and give it a try. My curiosity is the reason why I initially was considering starting selling on Fiverr. The second reason was because I wanted to make some extra money. And so I was like, let me try this and see how long it takes to make my first dollar. So when I started, the first dollar I earned was from my sister, who was my initial person to book a gig for me to give me some support and get me to my first review on Fiverr. First order was on November 24th. After that, I had a purchase, like a legitimate one that I did not have to solicit in December 8th, and then following I had another order in December and then another order in December, and then it just continued to roll in. I did a little quick summary on the side here so you can see exactly how it looks on my completed list of my completed orders from when I initially booked my first gig, aka my sister giving me a review for work that I did for her skincare line. So that was exciting. It slowly came in. So the moment I started, roughly the month in which I roughly started, I was able to see, because of that initial review, a little kick, a little push, a little drive in the positive direction in booking new gigs. I hope this was helpful. I hope this inspires you to just jump in and try, because literally you have nothing to lose. You don't have to invest any dollars or anything. Me personally, I started with Canva. If you, for example, love to write, you don't have to spend any dollars on any softwares or programs or etc. You have a phone, you have a iPad, you have a tablet, you have a Chromebook, you have a laptop. Whatever you already have, you can be utilizing it to make money without spending extra dollars on software, etc. Start small, start with writing, and then build off that and utilize the money that you get on Fiverr for other softwares, subscriptions, and etc. to expand your reach, expand your possibilities, expand your services so that you can continue to grow, so that you can continue to multiply them dollars. I hope this was helpful, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Otherwise, it's Omar with Side Hustle Exploration signing off.